Some nonprofit and startup leaders tell me that they use AI to draft their contracts. And I totally get it. Resources are limited, but I worry that folks don't always understand what actually goes into drafting a thoughtful contract. I'm a corporate attorney, but my clients aren't big companies. They're community-based nonprofits and early-stage startups, creative, mission-driven people trying to change the world with grit and heart. I've been there and I totally understand the need to cut costs. But contract drafting isn't just filling in templates or plugging terms into a form. Last week, I worked with a client who was exploring a new project. It blended charitable goals with potential revenue. It connected to another charitable initiative, but not entirely. And it involved a bunch of different stakeholders and histories and relationships. And the legal landscape out there just had very little public data. So before drafting anything, we spent time talking through her values and priorities and those of the other people involved, the relational dynamics, and the decisions that she needed to make with her limited resources. Some of the information that she needed wasn't in any database. It lived in conversations and trust. And only after working through all of this did we discuss what kinds of agreements she needed, the jurisdictional issues, compliance considerations, and the terms that might make sense to her. For her. AI absolutely has a role to play in contract drafting. It can outline agreements and generate standard terms. But should contracts be drafted and negotiated entirely by AI? Not right now, at least. A lawyer's job isn't just to pull a template. It's to make judgment calls. Calls shaped by education, experience, and countless pieces of context that help us to understand how a unique set of facts might play out. Law is the strategic analysis of fact patterns, and those patterns are messy and human and full of variables. AI can support the science of lawyering, assessing the legal data points that are out there, but much of what lawyers do is an art. Understanding the non-quantifiable, relational, and values-driven information, and turning it into strategies that help clients sleep better at night and build healthy communities of co-creators. Is part of my perspective self-preservation? Sure. But it's also about protecting many things that a lot of us care about: mental health, values alignment, and strong creative communities. And lawyers still play a crucial role in supporting those things.